Hello, you can contact me for creating your own SAP IDES ECC6 EHP8 server on AWS Amazon Web Services. You can see this is the SAP IDES ECC6 EHP8 server I have created for one of my client. This is a server which is running. I have remotely connected this server, you can see, and I have started the server. I have started the SAP server, you can see. It has turned green, complete green. The SAP server has been started successfully, and now I am going to connect this SAP server hosted on AWS from my computer server through my SAP GUI. And you can see I have connected to the SAP server on AWS from my computer. So in this manner, if you want to create your own SAP IDES ECC6 EHP8 server on AWS and you want that people from all over the world can access your server remotely, you can contact me.